Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I want to specially welcome you to Face TV today. And today we are going to do something very special with a very special person right here in the studio. She's someone you've heard her voice before, someone who is now integral part of Face TV, someone who is in collaboration with Face TV, trying to bring it very down for us, break it down for us, everything legal. And she's no other person than Amaka Janeth, popularly known as Everything Legal, or Lawyer na-apu. Lawyer na-apu. So, Everything Legal, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so very much for joining us today again. Please, friends, ladies and gentlemen, can we still know you the more?
Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Amaka Janeth, popularly known and addressed as Lawyer na-apu. I'm the founder of Everything Legal. This is where we tend to break down the law to its simplest terms so that everyone would know their rights, most especially, and know when he or she is breaching the law and when his or her rights is being breached upon. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much. So, that is just in a nutshell.
Yes.
Going forward here on Face TV, we are going to be dishing out piece by piece, and by the time we say the ones that may affect you, further questions that can come from you may also give us the direction of what we are going to do the next time. So permit me to introduce a very special program here on Face TV, and that is Everything Legal. It's going to be a weekly program that will be coming your way every week, probably on Mondays or Fridays. With time, we are going to reconcile on which day it will be coming. But just know it that once in a week, Everything Legal program will come your way. It will be streamed live on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, and every other channel that we operate. So just get ready to hear from the horse's mouth. Everything Legal, please tell us more about your educational background.
Okay, my educational background, I was a student of the prestigious Faculty of Law, Abia State University, Uturu, but my campus was in Umuahia. Yes, so I started this journey as a law student far back in 2017. That was when I got admission into ABSU, and then I left ABSU 2023 instead of 2022, just because of the COVID and the strike and all that. So I went to the Nigerian Law School Unigua campus. That was last year, 2024, right? And this is 2025, and we are awaiting the call to bar this year.
Wow, that's wonderful. So I just want her to give us a hint of this profile so that you know that someone who will be talking to you is someone who is properly, professionally trained in this field. So Everything Legal is a program that will be coming your way here on Face TV. So do you have anything for us today,
Yes.
my lord?
There's always something for us every day.
Yeah.
So today let's talk about your rights.
Okay.
Let's talk about your rights. You know, people have been asking,
My right or my left? Which one?
your rights.
This one. That's my this one.
You should know your rights. That's what the law says. You should know your rights.
All right. I know my right and my left now. This one is my right.
If you say so. So the law does not permit when people say, I don't know this one. That's why we always say ignorance of the law is not an excuse. And it's usually a pitiable situation where you find people say, I don't know these laws exist. That was why I took this action. So the law would not pardon you just because you don't know a particular law exists. That's why it is important that you get accustomed with the laws of your country, just so you don't find yourself in situations where you'll be begging and be pleading that you don't know that a particular law exists. So people have been asking, does the police have the right to search their phones? That's like the main question in the mouth and mind of every young person in Nigeria today. Does the police really have the right to search my phone? So recently we found out that the Nigerian police what they do is to stop a particular vehicle on the road and then call down all the young guys, and then they start searching through their phones. So people have been asking, does the police really have the right to search their phones? So now the answer to this question comes in two formats. There's a yes and there's a no. Alright? There's a yes to this question and there's a no. So the yes part comes with, the yes part is just that the police have the right to search your phone if there is a warrant to search your phone. So if the police comes with a search warrant authorizing them to go through your phone, they have the right to search your phone. And the no part is that if there is no warrant whatsoever, the police does not have a right to search your phone without a warrant.
Let me ask here now. So how does the warrant come? Because in a situation where I'm just moving, nobody knows I was on the road already, and we are just stopped, and they bring us down and start, molesting us to bring our phones and all that. So how can police now get the warrant at that moment to do the searching?
In this scenario, the police does not actually have the right to go through someone's phone in this scenario, unless there is already an already established search warrant, which means that they already have the information that you are in that bus, and they got the search warrant to come there and search your phone. Okay. Yes. So this is the part that some people don't really know. So once police stops them, they are too scared to even say something, and then they hand over their phone to the police. So the police knows that they don't have a right. They know, just that you do not know. That's why they tend to, try to overpower you. But if you insist on a search warrant, they can maybe take you to the station and provide a warrant, or they tend to harass you just because they know that you are not too sure of what you are saying. So the police, they are aware that they're not allowed to search people's phone without a warrant. So they don't tend to do it just because they are sure you do not know about it.
In that case, what's the best possible way to play around with police? Because now, when they really want to do it, it comes with harassment, it comes with intimidation, it comes with torture and all that. So how can we innocent Nigerians, innocent citizens, how can we try to come out of this situation?
You report to their superiors. Yes, every policeman around has a uniform that has his or her name attached to the badge. So please be fast enough to get the person's name. Yes, after the whole harassment, go to the station and report to their superiors. That way they can be able to call the erring police officers to order.
After they must have panicated my head?
Don't let it get to that point.
That's what I'm asking.
Don't let it get to
because they can banter you, you understand. So that's why I'm asking. At that point, give us your phone, please. I know, do you have a search warrant, something like that, and they are coming with intimidation? How can we, come out of that situation?
At that point, because you cannot fight a policeman with a gun. Anything can happen. So at that point, it's advisable that you play cool, calm, and give them your phone to search, as long as you are sure that there is nothing implicating in your phone. So after the whole search and search, you can go to their police, you can go to the station and report to their superiors, just so it doesn't happen again. Okay. The problem we are having these days is that people are too scared to report. If you go to the police station to report an erring police officer, they will not arrest you. Just do your report and go. But people are too scared to report. That's why they just tend to play calm and cool, and then they leave everything in the hands of God and they go home.
Just because they don't know their rights.
Yes, just because they don't know their rights, or they are too scared to act on their rights.
Okay, that's a very wonderful one. Ladies and gentlemen, you've had it. Know your rights, know your position when it comes to searching your phone. All young people out there, please pay attention, and please make sure that before you resist, that you do not have anything incriminating in your phone. And we are also advising, guys, please keep your hands clean, keep your phones clean, so that wherever you may be going, if anybody stops you, you know, they say that a clear conscience fears no accusation. Thank you so very much, Everything Legal. Is there any other thing you may wish to tell us?
Get to know the laws of your country. Stop saying ignorance of the law, because even in the eyes of the law, ignorance is not an excuse. So you are expected to know. Some of us don't even know the Constitution. Some of us don't even know that Nigeria has a Constitution to start with. So some of us don't even know things we are supposed to do and things we're not supposed to do. We just flow with the tide. That's not how it's supposed to be. So get accustomed with the Nigerian Constitution and get to know your rights. That's like the first thing. That's like the first step of what you're supposed to do as a Nigerian citizen. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, ladies and gentlemen. That's just a tip of the iceberg. Going forward, we are going to be coming out very, very more thought-provoking interactions here in this program, Everything Legal, on Face to Face TV. It will be coming your way once every week. Could be on a Monday or on a Friday. So get your hands on the buttons of Face to Face TV, Everything Legal, Amaka Janeth. Is there any other handle you have? Okay, these are the handles. Just search for us both on Facebook, on TikTok, and also Instagram. Then YouTube, we are still there, so try as much as possible to get connected. It promises to be very, very engaging. It promises to be very, very educative. It promises to be very, very, solution solving and problem solving. Are you getting me? So just try as much as possible. Another time we are coming, it will be announced so that you will know the time we will appear. Know everything about your right. Bring everything legal on the table, and our dear sister is going to trash it for you. Thank you so very much.
Face to face, now they read my